Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Just I felt like doing a new video because, well, I have posted a video for 3 weeks, and that is even a long time for me now, so, I'll just do the ones that I know. AC/DC, A-Tier. I mean, some of their songs are a bit weird. Most of them are very good. Probably, favorite song, Back in Black. Dun, 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 yeah, that one. Ozzy Osbourne, C-Tier. I mean, he's not awful, he's just not good. Now, if I was to pick if he's better middle or low middle, probably low middle. He's just a bit too anti-Christianity and that shit, so yeah. Also, his music's okay, it's a bit overrated. I don't know Death Feather. 5 Finger Death Punch. And then 5 Finger Death Punch is fairly overrated. I think they don't deserve 300 million views on their songs all the time. Lamb of God, D-Tier. It's just the sound is a bit too scream. Massive drum noise, quiet, massive scream. It's just not my thing. Sorry. Metallica. B-Tier, I mean, some of their songs are really like, to Subman, but some of them fall a bit flat, so yeah, it's alright. Nothing amazing. Just not bad. Iron Maiden, yeah, I don't really have an opinion on it. So what? Not really have one. Good, not bad. Just bad. Korn. I don't think it's good. It's just, it's not explicitly bad. I'd say it's slightly better than average. It's just got some good beats, but what I classify it as AC/DC level. Okay. Next band we've got Linkin Park. Now, Linkin Park isn't mixed bad. It has some very good songs. New Divide, Faint, not so much what I've done anymore, Falling, and there's some bad songs of Prospect. In the end, Bleed It Out. I mean, all kind of is a lot different than the medium tier. Okay, so I do know this band, Metallica. Oh, sorry, that's Slipknot, sorry, what? Slipknot. Slipknot, I think is, I mean, it's obviously not bad, it's just the worst. Are there for the ones I don't know later? Is this all of them? Oh, Disturbed. I forgot about Disturbed. No, Disturbed is alright. I don't really like the later music, but hey, not bad. We'll do, torn again, mid, obsessed with any other ones. I didn't have Dream Fitter. Oh, Dream Fitter. Actually, I don't remember that one. That was like, that's pretty good. Yeah. Metallica again. Lamb of God. Oh wait, no, Metallica. Okay. Lamb of God. Metal, whatever, whatever should I do? Metal, yeah. Maybe want to know my opinion on music genres, so I'll just do that. I don't even really mind. No. Oh, what type of music I don't know? Evil Pop, that's pretty good. I will never breathe again. Yeah. I'll just do this. Will we set? This is my personal opinion. Do not get pissed. Alternative. I don't even know what this one is. Don't know. Afrobeat. Yeah. Afrobeat. Oh, so that's something like middle. Yeah, yes, that's don't know. ITJ. That's not good. Alternative dance. Wouldn't know enough about it. Alternative metal. Maybe not S10. I mean, maybe not S10. Yeah, because a little wash. A bit worse, but still pretty good. Bit beat. I like bit beat. That is good. That is pretty fiery. Black metal. Oh. Yeah, I know it's controversial. This is not the best. Okay, maybe I'll turn the middle up. Maybe right there. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's just not like it's not my. Oh wait, so no, not. This is not my favorite genre of music. You know what I mean? Classical music is probably up there as well. I just love classical music. Okay, I know, surprising. Death metal. I mean, yeah. Drone metal. I actually have never heard drone metal. Electro house. Yeah, it's overrated. I believe. It's about what death metal is. Free jazz. I don't know about jazz. I mean, free jazz is okay. Groove metal. I know that's like Nirvana. I mean, it's not my favorite. It's not worse. Maybe a little bit better. Hard rock. Yeah, good. Hardcore punch. Well, I don't really it's a love-hate relationship. I'll do it up a little bit. It's good, this is not the best. Heavy metal. Well, do I need to say much? It's good. Now, is it bad metal music? No. Industrial metal, so that's like too hot. Yeah, no, that's... Jazz rap. I've never even heard of that. Math, metalcore. Yeah, that's probably my favorite genre, metalcore. Yeah. Noise, I don't know half his shit. Oh. I mean, it's not the worst, it's just not the best. Post watch. Maybe slightly better? I don't know. Quad metal, I don't like. No, that's it. Not really my favorite. Punch watch. It's not the best. I like a lot of it. Stoner metal. Yeah. It is. Foot watch. I just way better. Oh shit. Okay, we will do that. I don't know what that's supposed to happen. Oh shit! It leads. It is the reservoir. This sucks. Wow. Okay. Is this scary? Well, okay, no, we're still at 30 points. That's good. What else did I do? I don't know, this video a bit larger than what we watch it. Just as it does, if you like my channel, go and subscribe. Also, please view this video, because my viewer duration is so low, like 10 views, 50 views, my video is not that much. I know this is Friday, so I probably should be releasing videos. I'll release a video tomorrow, hopefully. I know, multiple videos a day. Whoa, Matt! Oh my god, you might release 4 videos almost. Yeah, I released 5 videos last time. But I'm studying my ass off, so I can actually, like, get mirrored average. Will you release more videos in the holidays? Yes. Summer holidays, I'll probably release, like, 3 videos a week. Yeah, probably 2 videos a week. Yeah, so... I got some projects coming along nicely. I do warn you, my music... Yeah, I kind of forgot about it. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I forgot about it. I was into a Bristol store to remember I did my other stuff I was trying to. Yeah. I'm not trying to the summer holidays. Sorry guys. I am meddling about much. Turns out I only had like 6, now 7, because I just read another one. It's a bit weird. Some people wanted to see my music, so we've actually lost the song to see it. It's not the best sounding. I felt like it was gonna be the best day of my life. I thought it was gonna be the best surprise. I thought we were going to be a child. When you said, I'm sorry, I have to leave you. I found someone better than you. It feels like you just wanted me to suffocate. Okay, so obviously it's not gonna have a massive mistake in it. I'm not that dumb. Okay, Cheerios. Suffocate. Why did you want me? Why did you not wait for me? I don't think. Well, I think I will be able to walk again. I feel it feels like I was ripped into two pieces. I will be crying like it was November rain. I feel like you wanted me to be nothingness forever and ever. I felt like I won't be able to walk again. It feels like you wanted me to be done forever and ever and ever and ever. Why did you not? Why did you not wait for me? It feels like I cannot walk again. Oh yeah, I made it in like 2 hours, so it's pretty bad. It's okay. I'll do it. It'll be better than that today. Yeah, whoever wanted that, they know, yeah, but one, I'll see you tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow's video will be a which one. Yeah, see you. Have a good one, subscribe if you want, share it if you want. If you're interested in my music, I'll probably eventually release it. Not saying my upload schedule is most consistent. Sorry about that. I'll try and do a bit better. Over the holidays, I'll hopefully do a more interesting video tomorrow, and then maybe I'll do a third video that's a very stupid video at the end of the week. Because people will want the stupid side of me, because, wow, you can make fun of me, but sure. Go ahead. Not to do that practice. Yay!